Please stand by for a national emergency action notification on KEC 55.
This is an emergency action notification. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a national emergency declared by the White House. All broadcast stations must transmit this emergency action notification.
Please stand by as an important pre-recorded message from the United States representative has transmitted.
My fellow Americans, this is the representative of the President speaking to you all for the final time. This is an emergency action notification number 3, black card. This is not a test. I'll say once again, this is not a test. It is very important now that you listen very closely to this alert, as this alert contains information that relates to an ongoing global state of emergency. The three villains now brought their family together to take over the world. Their names are Dark Mayhem, Strong Door, and Crabman, and the other 3 are Dark Mayhem Jr., Strong Door Jr., and Crab Lady. The 6 villains are now taking over the world for every country of the world. These attacks, it is believed that these attacks are now causing them to attack the world by using their drone full of evil red stuff that has already been happening. The Red Seas are turning them evil as we know it, as we speak. The Thundermans are now. We tried sending the Thundermans all on the other side of the world to destroy these villains, but unfortunately the plan didn't work out the way it should, so they got killed instantly. They were getting killed. They were killing them instantly. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm afraid to say this, but there's not a lot of time left for this Earth. There's no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the United States, if you are hearing this message, please gather with friends and families and await your final hours on this beloved planet of Earth. Pray to your God or gods, if you're a person of religion or print. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you very much for being part of Thank you for existing and being yourself around this beloved planet of Earth. And now it will soon be a wasteland. I'm now going to conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with one last playing of our national anthem. After the anthem, all TV stations will shut down for the final time. This is a representative of the President signing off. This is a presidential representative of the President signing off for the final time. Goodbye. May God bless you all, and enjoy your final hours on this beloved planet of Earth.
That was a pre-recorded message from the United States representative. We will now return to the emergency alert system.
This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. We will now sign off with the playing of the national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude this one last activation of the emergency alert system.